Hi future seafarers, I'm Tintin. Dreaming of working in the galley or kitchen department on a cruise ship? Whether you're applying as a commis, cook, or galley steward, this video will help you nail your interview with real questions and sample answers. Let's get your cruise ready. Can you tell us about your kitchen experience? Yes, I've worked as a line cook for 2 years in a hotel kitchen. I handled hot dishes, grilling, and food prep. I've also assisted during events with more than 300 guests. Working in a fast-paced environment has trained me to be quick, clean, and organized. When you answer, mention your previous workplace, specific task, and volume of service. Cruise lines love it when you speak with confidence and detail. How do you maintain food safety and hygiene? I always follow HACCP rules. I wash hands regularly, wear gloves, avoid cross-contamination, and store food at the right temperatures. A clean kitchen is a safe kitchen. Make sure you understand the basics of HACCP. It's a global standard in cruise ship kitchens. How do you handle pressure during service? I stay calm and focused. I believe in preparation, so I always complete my mise en place before service. I communicate clearly with my team, and I don't panic. I just keep working and supporting others. Working in a cruise galley means serving thousands of meals per day. Show that you can handle the heat, literally. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship? Because I want to level up my career. I love cooking and I want to learn international standards while traveling the world. I'm also excited to work with people from different cultures. For galley steward, are you willing to do cleaning and dishwashing tasks? Yes, absolutely. I know how important sanitation is in a galley. I'm ready to do all cleaning duties, follow instructions, and make sure the kitchen is safe and spotless. Attitude is everything, even it's an entry-level role. They want team players who are hardworking. How do you work in a team? I work well with others by being respectful and helpful. I communicate clearly and I'm always ready to assist teammates. I know the kitchen is fast-paced, so I make sure to support and not complain. Are you willing to work long hours, weekends, and holidays? Yes, I understand that cruise ships operate non-stop. I'm fully prepared to follow schedules and work even holidays because I'm committed to this job. What would you do if your team is falling behind during service? I'll communicate quickly with the chef and offer help whenever needed. Whether it's plating, prepping, or cleaning, I'll do my part to catch up. We succeed as a team. If you're dreaming of working in the kitchen while sailing across the world, remember this: your attitude is your passport. Skills can be learned, but being hardworking, humble, and respectful will take you far. Every great chef started somewhere. Maybe your journey starts now, on board a cruise ship. So keep practicing, stay passionate, and believe in your future. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, comment your dream position in the galley, and don't forget to subscribe for more cruise ship jobs tips. I'll see you on the next time. Thank you.